jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing.
Oh, here she comes.
Merry Christmas!
Help!
Where'd you go? I just saw you a couple seconds ago.
Help!
Come on, stop hiding. It's Christmas and it's the season of giving, so just come out and give me your
I'm under
smiling
the tree,
face.
just knocked over.
The only thing that belongs under the tree is presents. Did you get me any?
Sometimes I wonder about your mask. Come help me.
Okay, I'm coming because I know you got me an excellent present. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come here.
I'm under here.
Come here.
I'm under here. Wait. Go over there. Go over there. Okay. Thank you.
So, what'd you get me for Christmas?
I got you. Hold on. Oh. Oh.
Would you stop messing around with that dang tree?
I got you 3 cell phones.
No.
Crap.
Thanks for the cell phones.
Come on. Oh wait. Shoot.
Guess what I got you?
Wait. I got you another thing. Oh, I got you an iPod.
Thanks for the iPod.
Hold on a second.
Guess what I got you?
What?
Some chicken broth.
Chicken broth. I love chicken broth. Give me it. Oh, quick. I'm gonna go eat it.
What you gonna make with it? You just gotta eat it raw like you always do.
What?
You always just eat raw chicken broth, and that is not good for your insides.
Well, sorry, I just can't help it. Alright.
So, did you give me anything else?
Hold on. This tree, hold on. I got you this medal.
I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. What else did you get me?
What did you just throw my tree?
No, it was the wind.
Oh, that makes sense. It is pretty windy out there.
So what else did you get me for Christmas?
I got you this.
Give me it. Thanks for the medal.
You're welcome. Did you give me anything else?
No. Wait, I lied. I just really like this medal.
So what else did you give me?
I got you a dress.
Oh! Okay, I'll go put it on, okay? Don't look. Okay. Oh, crap.
She needs to learn how to dress.
Okay. Okay.
I just love it. I love it. I knew you would like it. I
Thank
knew
you,
it. I
thank you.
knew it.
Oh, thank you.
Well, how many more days till Christmas are there?
There's actually 2 more.
Oh. Well, it's a good thing I got your Christmas present now.
You mean I don't get one the day of Christmas?
No.
Oh, well, I'll just keep the card then.
Oh, okay.
Alright, well, I'll see you later.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Yep, bye.